Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be making this Nutcracker Folio. This folio is included in the Christmas bundle 2025. So if you have already bought the bundle, you can just check out your link for the folder named Nutcracker Folio. Here are the final pieces that are included in this kit. I have printed all of these pages on 170 GSM paper and I have printed them on the back also using the background sheets. So I've given like 3 background papers. You can just choose like which ones you want to print on the back. As always, let's start prepping. I'm just going to fold along these lines that you see. So these are the top and the bottom flaps, and this is one of the page, and this window I want to cut it out. And this is the main panel. I've got like 2 lines over here that's going to make the spine, so I'll fold along those 2 lines. So I've already cut the window part on this window page, and I'm placing a transparent sheet, and I will use my paper tape to glue it to stick the sheet to the window. So let's start assembling. We've got the main panel, and this is the window page, and I've got the nutcracker page. So this red page, the red nutcracker, that's going to be the nutcracker page, and I've got these flaps over here, the top and bottom flaps. Let's start the assembling from the back. So that's the panel A and panel B. So this is the back of the folio and that's the front. I want to start from the assembling from the back of the folio, like the panel B. I'm taking the first one, that is the nutcracker page, and whatever the blank area that you see, I'm going to use that area to stick it to panel B, and before that I want to glue these top and bottom flaps like so, and then glue it like this. That's the idea. So let's start by adding these top and bottom flaps first to the nutcracker page. I'm just going to add glue to the flaps over here, and I will stick it to the back of the blank page. Now that we have the top and bottom flaps glued to the nutcracker page, I want to add this page to the panel B. So I'm adding glue to the entire main panel B on the back side of the main panel B, and I will stick the nutcracker page along with those the top and bottom flaps over here. have already stuck one page. Let's move on to the next page now. I've got this window page over here. This window page, I want to add it as a top pocket like so, right over here. So this is actually the back of the red Nutcracker page. So on the back, I want to add the window page. And I've got this mini flap over here. This mini flap, I want to add it as a top pocket, and again between the Nutcracker page and the window page, so that it's kind of like a flap and opens up like this. So that's the idea. So first I'm just going to make it into a top pocket. So I'm adding glue to the two sides and leaving the top part, and we have the mini flap ready. So now between the window page and the Nutcracker page, I will add the mini flap. I want to add the mini flap, so which means like I can just stick this like this first to the window page and then stick the window page to the Nutcracker page. So I'm just adding glue to the flap area and I'm attaching it to the window page, right? What you see over there, that's how it's going to look. That's the mini flap. Now the window page, I'm just going to add glue to the three sides and make it into a top pocket and add it to the back of the Nutcracker page. So this is going to be an entire page now. Now that the window page is stuck to the Nutcracker page, that will be one single page. So we've got the window page that is stuck. And we got this mini flap. Next, I've got this envelope over here. This envelope, I want to use this blank area and stick it to the whatever the window page that we stuck. So the flaps that are given, I'm just going to turn it out like this, and I will use that flaps and stick it to the page and make it into again a top pocket. So add glue to the three sides and stick it like this so that we have a top pocket again. That's the idea over here. So we are done with the assembling. We have the mini flap, the envelope, and then this page, the window page and the Nutcracker page, and the top and the bottom flaps. So that's the assembling that is done. Let us start adding pockets. I've included like 2 pockets over here that I want to layer it and add it over here. The rest of the pockets, I'm just going to use certain ephemeras, a few of the ephemeras, and add them as pockets to the folio. So that's like the proper pockets for the folio. The rest I'm just going to start decorating using the ephemeras and add them as pockets also. Finally, for the embellishment, I have this long tag that will go into the window page. So I'm just adding an eyelet and a ribbon so that it will be easy to remove the tag from the window pocket that you see. I've added white ribbon now, but I thought like it doesn't suit the color theme, so I've just changed it to red later on. And that is it. We are done with the folio. Here's the final reveal of the Nutcracker Folio. As I mentioned before, this is part of the Christmas Bundle 2025. I will include all of the links in the description below. You can just go and check them out. And this folio is a very festive and a magical folio. It's got these beautiful, colorful, ephemeras, tags, pages, and everything. And it's also a really quick project. Also, you can just make on a afternoon. I will also include like matching tags and matching ephemeras that can go along with this kit in the description. You can just check them out. As always, I have included all the links for the newsletter, for joining the newsletter, to Instagram, to their Facebook page. Everything is given in the description below. You can just go ahead and check them out. And I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you have a wonderful time making this folio. As you can see, I've been releasing a lot of kits for Christmas every Tuesday and Thursday, and you can just let me know in the comment like which of these kits you had so much fun and which ones you enjoyed the most and such. So I will see you soon in another video. Bye bye.